The other important thing is in improving awareness toward dementia is detecting earlier signs of dementia in individuals so that they could be evaluated earlier and able to be diagnosed and taken care of. So the initial one is memory loss that actually disturb daily life. It's very important to be aware of this. Individual could be forgetting recent event names, appointments, repeating questions, difficulty of planning and solving problem, trouble with the familiar steps, which is commonly something that they have been performing for years, could be managing bills or cooking, challenging com- completing familiar tasks, struggling with something routine at home or at workplace, confusion, disorientation to time and place. That's also an important sign to look for. Trouble in understanding spatial relationship, visual cues. Sometimes they could have navigational problems. They may get lost in an area where they are very much familiar. They may have confusion where to go, and those kind of navigational problem could indicate some sorts earlier signs of dementia. The others are new problems with forgetting simple words, repeating phrases, repeating questions, displacing things, difficulty of retracing those steps. Every one of us could have those kind of things sometimes, but at least ultimately we could able to retrace those things. But repeated problem with those kind of things and difficulty of retracing back and using some cues to know what, where, and where places we put those things is very important to be aware of. Decreasing or poor judgments is also a very important sign to look for. Sometimes it could be a risky financial choice, neglecting hygiene, withdrawal from work, social activity. Someone who is very much socially active in the community starts to withdraw and being disinterested, apathetic. That's a very important sign to look for. It doesn't mean that it's always dementia, but it's also important to notice those kind of earlier signs so that they could get help, they could visit doctors. So changing in mood and personality is also something that's very important. Earlier, being fearful, very much anxious, paranoid, suspicious, and those kind of things that were not there before they start to appear. That is a very important clue to look for.